there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 4535 Moon Road here in Titusville. And this is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with a 1-car garage. Look at this cute little patio area right here. And we are going to dive right on into this house. And you do have some options here as far as your setup. So currently this is set up as your dining area. And then we see the kitchen beyond there, but there's enough room over on that right hand side if you wanted to have a little table there and actually have 2 separate sitting areas, you could. So we'll take a good look at this nice area, and then we are going to cruise right over here to the right and check this out. This is an amazing added room. So look at this living space and these custom built-ins. Look at that. We're going to take a quick step out here so I can show you the garage while we are on this side. So as you can see, we've got a full 1-car garage here. Plenty of space. Area over here for your stuff. Then we are going to dive right back into this house here. So again, you got your dining area, or you could have a separate living area there. This one, we've got it set up with this cool desk over here on the side. Nice light coming in through the front. And I'm going to back up here a second so you can take a look at this cool built-in with all these little shelves. And an awesome place for all your knickknacks. And as we go down the hallway here around the corner, we've got our laundry room. So check this out, folks. You have inside laundry here. We've got some shelving up on top. And this cute little custom-made case here is where your water heater is. Isn't that cool? And then we've got a shelf over here on the side so you can get your laundry out, do a little bit of folding, and actually have a nice shelf to put that down on. And as we come through here, we are going to cruise into the kitchen. And if you see, I back up a little bit here, you actually have an area there if you wanted to put like one of those cute little small round tables, if you wanted to have some extra living space area. Some gorgeous countertops, lots of cabinets, more built-ins up here, nice little shelving to display your cool stuff, gorgeous refrigerator. As you can see, we've got tile, got some granite countertops, and lots of ceiling fans. And now look at this hallway. Look how wide this is. It's not your typical hallway where you can barely get down the hallway. You've got plenty of space here. And then this bathroom, the doorway on this has been widened, so if you needed wheelchair access, you could get in there. It's got a gorgeous sink area, and check out that mirror. That's one of those neat light up fog mirrors. And then of course we get over here to the shower. We've got our tile work all the way around. Got some nice shelving up top there. Gorgeous flooring. And then we have our 3 bedrooms. And I would say this would be the primary bedroom. It is a huge bedroom, lots and lots of space here. And again, we have some more built-ins if you had some things you needed to get up on some shelves, or those could be detached and taken down if you were needing a little bit more space in the actual room. But as you can see, there's plenty of room for a king bed, couple nightstands, dressers. We are going to back ourselves right on out of that room, and we're going to go into the next room. And as you can see, we've got a nice sized bed in here. Got our nightstands, plenty of room for a nightstand on the other side of the room as well. And closet area. And of course, ceiling fans in these 2 bedrooms here. And then this guest bedroom over here on the side. I would say this is probably the smallest of the bedrooms, but still nice sized room, plenty of room for a bed. And heck, we don't want our guests to stay forever anyway, do we? We want them to come in, enjoy a couple days visiting us here in gorgeous Florida on the Space Coast, and then we want them to cruise on back home again. So again, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live here in Titusville. If you are interested in taking a look at this home yourself, you can give me a call, you can shoot me a text. we are going to cruise right back through here. So we're going to go outside in the yard so you can check out this amazing backyard. Look at this, folks. Almost new above ground pool. Blocked off there so the doggy can't get up. But woo, it is a hot one today, folks. And just imagine laying out on that gorgeous pool. We are in a completely fenced in yard. And check out this shed, folks. Roof is only about 7 years old here. AC is only a year. This shed is perfect if you have workshop needs, things that you want to handle out here, because this is a nice looking shed, only about a year old. It's got electric, got a ramp up so I don't fall. So again, folks, this is Margaret Klein signing off here in Titusville, Florida. Call or text anytime for your own private showing, 321-480-7662. Nice concrete pad here as well, in case you wanted to screen in an area to hang out here by the pool. And call or text anytime. Don't forget to subscribe. You have an amazing day. Thanks. Bye-bye.